In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Google Chrome being slow and lag. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to do is open up Google Chrome and then go ahead and press Shift and Escape on your keyboard. And what you can also do is press the three dots on the top right, and then what we're going to do is go to More Tools, and then you're going to see Task Manager as one of the options. Now it's going to show you your Google Chrome Task Manager, which is separate from your Windows one. And at this stage, all you want to go ahead and do is see the RAM that these different applications are consuming. If there's one that's taking up too much, maybe you have a bunch of tabs open, all you want to do is click on it, and then you're going to see End Task as one of the options. And as you can see, it's just ended the task. This is what it looks like when it gets ended, and you can do that for whatever page you want. And what you could also do is turn on memory saver mode. So what we want to go ahead and do is go ahead over to the three little dots on the top right. And then what we're going to do is go over to settings. Now, once we're in settings, we're going to see a lot of different things, but like go through the left-hand side and you can go over to performance. Now, what we want to go ahead and do is memory saver is turned off. What you want to do is go ahead and turn it on to see if that works for you. And basically, you can even try and turn it on and off or anything like that as well. And what you could also do is go over to Chrome preloads, which says Chrome preload pages, which makes browsing and searching faster. And you can do extended preloading, and that might also help you as well. Now, the final thing I'd recommend is turning on hardware acceleration. So go over to System on the bottom left, and if you see Use Graphics Acceleration when available, if it's currently on, try and turn it off, and if it's currently off, try and turn it on, relaunch, and then see if that works for you. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.